Today is a little bit of a different video, a little bit of a, I guess, special video if you want to call it that. So today, as you can see, we're going to be riding in a C8 Corvette. It is part of the family, so you guys will be seeing more of it on the channel. So those of you that came for the M3 content, don't worry, it's not going anywhere. That's still my baby. But as I was saying, this will be part of the channel a little bit more. We got the carbon fiber seats right there, beautiful red interior, and it's brand spanking new. It's got 400 and some miles on it, and still not broken in yet. So that's what I am tasked with doing today. I'm so lucky to be breaking this car in, and we're gonna cross that today. I need to get in and put some more mileage on it, but look, brand spanking new. We still got here we go. You gotta sit in, and ooh, that's nice. Put that there for now. One more. Ooh. There we go. Covers are finally off, and there we are, 448. So I got some work to do, guys. I gotta put 50 miles on the car right now. We do have some time. Daylight's not running out just yet, but here you guys go. First look of the new car. Again, like I said, it's not mine, but it has joined the family. So I will be driving it here and there. Let me know if you guys want to see more of it. We're definitely, of course, going to be modding it a little bit. And it's a fun car to drive. I mean, I've been driving it for about 150 miles so far, but I'm almost there. So that's why I wanted to start this part of the video. Kick it off while we still have 50 miles to go. And yeah, so what we're gonna do, I'm gonna stop this, I'm gonna get the POV going, and yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. Let's put some miles on this baby. So I've actually driven one of these before. One of my friends has one, and I didn't see the sign. Anyways, one of my friends has one of these, so I have driven one before. First time with the top down though. So I'm gonna roll these windows up to mitigate the wind noise a little bit. But as you guys can see, the red line is still, I don't even know what it's at. I think it's at 45 is what it's limited to right now. Oh great, traffic. Anyways, the red line, the rev governor is still in place because we have not crossed over the 500 mile mark for the break-in period. So like I said, that's what we're doing today in this video. We are going to knock out those last 52 miles, and once we cross 500, we'll see the tack go back, and then we'll start ripping it a little bit, see what this thing's got. Tunnel with limited red line. You can't hear anything. Oh my god. All right, yeah, first up for this thing is going to be exhaust. Don't even worry, guys. You know we're putting an exhaust on this thing. Oh my god, that's just terrible. I mean, granted, I'm at like, I was at what, like 2 or 2,500 RPM. I don't even know. I'll have to watch the video back. But still, like, can't hear anything in this car. It's crazy. Guys, look, it's a Mach-E. That's the first one that I've seen in person. God, such a weird looking car. I don't know what they were thinking on that one. But anyways, at least we're don't have to worry about that. We're here nice and tucked away in the C8. I honestly love the interior of the new C8. I think it's awesome, and I'm actually very excited to see what the Z06 is going to be like. I think that thing is going to be an absolute monster. If the rumors are true, which they should be, because we're pretty damn close to the Z06 getting released, but I'm sure most of you know it's going to be naturally aspirated, flat plane crank, V8 with 617 horsepower. At 9,000 RPM, that thing is going to be insane. So actually very, very excited and looking forward to see what it looks like, first of all, and what it's going to sound like, most importantly. I think it's going to be a wicked car. Breaking in the C8. Wow. Well, the clouds went away, at least where I am right now. Actually, I see some poking over there, so hopefully we can get some clouds for some good pictures. 3 more miles. We're almost there. All right, 2 more miles. And look, we are definitely getting into some cloud territory. I'm seeing some poke over the hills. Oh, 1 more mile. 1 more mile. All right, I'm gonna get over, and I'm gonna switch the gauge. Let's go into track. All right, so let's wait for this red line to move. Just waiting. Should move any second now. There we go. 500 miles on the new Corvette C8. Limiter is gone, so you know what we're about to do. Okay. Woo! Okay. We are officially broken in, baby. Oh. Oh, that's too good. That is too good. All right, gotta dodge the cones right there. Yep, we are in cloud territory for sure. Continuing to break in the C8 the proper way. The second the limiter is gone, we're going for it. If you haven't been to the Bay Area before, I suggest you visit at least. It may not be for everyone, but it sure is beautiful here. That's the one thing I always love about coming back up to NorCal. It's just the freeways here are just on another level. Damn, I honestly miss being back. I've been in SoCal too often, and I love SoCal. Weather's awesome, people are great, but man, when I need some time to kind of detach a little bit, NorCal is where it's at. You just gotta get out, get on these beautiful highways, and just cruise. I mean, look at how beautiful this is. This is in the heart of Silicon Valley, and it's just so beautiful. So, some of you who are familiar with the Bay Area, I'm headed out to Crystal Springs Reservoir. You can kind of see a little bit of it way in the distance, but it may be hard to see. But it's pretty cloudy today, so sure as well if it's pretty foggy down by the road as well. I'm not too sure. We'll find out in a second. But like I was saying, like if you haven't been to the Bay Area before, it's beautiful. You definitely want to come and check it out. Spend a couple days here. Definitely a lot colder than Southern California, but like I said, the freeways, the views, I mean, it's not even close. Well, let me put it this way. It's different. It's more like naturey up here. SoCal has, of course, the beautiful coastline. It's warm, and driving top down by the coastline, I don't know, it's probably hard to beat that. But I mean, up here, again, it's beautiful. So I enjoy both. I'm very lucky and very grateful to be able to go in between the two. No! Oh! Why are you going so slow? Okay, so I haven't posted the other video of the first time I drove a C8. But man, I'm gonna say it again. The accelerator in this car is so weird. Like, it takes so long to actually depress your foot all the way down on the accelerator. Like, just a second ago, I was like, oh yeah, I'm probably there. And then I was like, oh no, I still got like 30% more to go. It's so weird. I mean, maybe it's because I'm so used to the M3, like, it's not that long, but I mean, this, to me, this feels like abnormally long. If anyone has driven a C7 or another Corvette or maybe other cars, like, is that normal? Like, I don't know if I've driven that many cars, like, at least with an accelerator this long. Like, this is the first time I've driven something like this with an accelerator that long. But I don't know, I mean, I guess it's to help people control the power. They think they're floored and they're really like not even close. I don't know, but it definitely pulls. Look at that beautiful carbon. Engine in, not really the rear, but the mid. Alright, so I'm having to voice over this last part of the video because the audio at this spot was unbelievably windy. Beautiful spot, but a very windy day, so apologize for that. But anyways, that's going to do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little POV action of the new C8 Corvette, breaking it in, passing that 500-mile mark, and letting the rev governor release and giving me the rest of the revs finally. But anyways, let me know what you guys think of the C8. Do you guys like it? Is it growing on you? Do you guys still not like it? What do you guys think about the styling, mid-engine design? Honestly, overall, it's growing on me a lot. I really enjoyed driving it. Still, obviously enjoy driving my car more, but again, I'm just used to it more. But anyways, I don't want to ramble too much about my own car. Let me know what you guys think about the new C8 Corvette in the comments below. We're going to be seeing more of that on the channel. And let me know what you guys want me to do to it. Should we do an exhaust, wheels, suspension? Should we wrap the car? What do you guys think? Open to suggestions. But for now, that's going to wrap up this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe down below for more content, more POV videos in different cars. And of course, don't worry, the M3 is not going anywhere. We have a lot more POV and modifications coming to that car. I'm very, very excited to film some more videos with that car. But as always, take care, guys. Thanks.